In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can link Credit Karma to your Robinhood. So first method is using the Credit Karma Visa debit card. If you have your Credit Karma Visa debit card, you can link to your Robinhood account as a funding source. So here's how you can do it. First, open up your Robinhood app and then click on this profile icon from the bottom of your screen. Then on this screen, click on this three-line menu icon. From this menu screen, select this transfers option. Then on the screen you can simply scroll down and then click on this add account button under this link account section. Then you just have to click on this debit card option and then just enter your Credit Karma Visa debit card details, your card number, expiration date and CVV, and then click on continue, and your Visa card will be linked to your Robinhood. Then it's allow you to for instant transfers to your Robinhood account. Keep in mind that while the deposits are free, withdrawals to a debit card may occur a 1.5% fee. Now the second method is transferring via linked bank account. So alternatively, you can transfer funds from your Credit Karma Money Spend account to a traditional bank account and then to your Robinhood account. So for doing that, open up your Credit Karma app and then you just have to click on this money section from the bottom of your screen. Then on the screen, if you haven't linked any bank account, you will find this section link a bank account. You just have to click on it and then follow the on screen instructions to add your bank account. And once your bank account has been linked, you just have to click on this transfer button and then transfer your money from Credit Karma to your linked bank account. Once the money has been received in your bank account, you can open up your Robinhood app and then click on this buying power section from the board from this home screen. Then on here you have to click on this deposit funds button and then just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on this from option. And in this from option you have to link your same bank account that you have used to transfer money from Credit Karma. Once you do that, you just have to select your Robinhood account, in which account you want to deposit money, such as your individual or brokerage account, and then click on this review, and lastly click on transfer, and your money will be received in your Robinhood. So that is how you can link Credit Karma to your Robinhood. I hope this video helps you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.